everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the hair care video and it's a very easy hair mask that I have made. This hair mask will make your hair soft and shiny. So let's watch the tutorial. For this hair mask you need 4 tablespoons of yogurt. You would need 1 tablespoon of honey. You would need 4 tablespoons of aloe vera juice. You have to cut aloe vera gel and just blend it so it becomes in this watery sort of consistency. It will not leave any sort of gel chunks on your hair. Usually it's the problem people face. And you would need 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil which I have used is from my previous video that I have made about the curry leaves and the aloe vera gel oil, but you can use oil of any of your choice. So we will take 1 bowl and we will mix all the ingredients together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add yogurt, then I will add honey, I will add oil, and then I will add aloe vera juice. Application of this hair mask, take it in your fingers and massage into your scalp. I will massage thoroughly. Once you are done with the scalp, apply it end of your hair. After applying that, make a bun and you can cover your hair with a shower cap. Leave this hair mask for around 30 minutes to 1 hour into your hair and then wash your hair with any shampoo and conditioner. But remember, your shampoo and conditioner should be paraben free, sulfate free. They should be mild and the condition your hair like you normally do. All the things you have to do is normal, just you have to apply the mask before. You can also give steam to your hair. So this is the final result after washing my hair and after doing the conditioner and the shampoo and everything. And you can see the end of my hair, they are looking more shinier and they are not those sort of dry and dull. And previously you can see that in the picture that my hair they were not shiny, but in the pictures that I have taken afterward you can clearly see there is a clear shine. If you like my channel, comment below, subscribe. Bye.